I told you about individual standalone beauty, holiday beauty sets being better than the advent calendar themselves. And let's take a look at 3 skincare kits that Selfridges have released for holiday 2024. In 2029, they had a beauty bag that was just £70 and was insanely good, with the majority of the items being full-sized. I think somebody actually bought 2 of them. I think somebody actually went to the store and got one. I think that was Shahina who comments here. So it sold out very quickly, and it was one of the best beauty curations ever. This year they have a few kits. One of them is the hair care heroes, about which I will not talk here. I'm just going to focus on 3 skincare kits. The first one is the clarifying skincare kit, which retails at £70. This is obviously for those who have pigmentation, blemishes, acne and things, possibly oily skin and all that. If, my skin hadn't gone bonkers and can't take straight up Vaseline now, I would probably have sprung for this kit, because the products have, so many of them, 7 are full-sized. 7 out of 10 products full-sized. You're paying 70 for the kit, 7 full sizes. Not bad at all. You're paying 10 quid per full-size product. Let us see what they are. The first product is the Dr. Jart Pore Remedy Smoothing Primer, 30 mils you get, which is full-sized, retailing at £31. The next product is the Glow Hub Facial Serum, that is a Scar Slayer one. That is 30 mils, retailing at just £9. The next product is the Kate Somerville Eradicate Blemish Treatment. That is 30 mils, which is actually full-sized, retailing at £25. Next, from Dermalogica, you have the Active Moist, a moisturizer. People, this comes in different sizes. 50 mils is full-size, which retails at £45. The next product is the Hudali Vino Pure Purifying Gel Cleanser, which is 150 mils, indeed full-sized, and retailing at £20. Next, from Innisfree, you get the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, 100 mils, indeed full-sized, retailing at £21. Next, from Thank You Pharma, we're seeing more and more Korean brands among, the mainstream beauty retailers, aren't we? Which is a good thing. I love K-beauty. Anyway, Thank You Pharma Sun Project Skin Relief Sun Cream. People, SPF 50 mils, indeed full-sized, retailing at £22. Now, these two, that is the Innisfree and the sun cream, are probably cheaper on, YesStyle or Stylevanner or something. That is a Korean beauty's website, rather than, on Selfridges or Cult Beauty or any of those. But, because they have chosen to include them in this bag, I am counting them at the price they retail for on their website. The next 3 products are not full-sized. You have the Dr. Seba Breakout Foaming Cleanser, just 50 mils. Full size is 150 mils. The Tatcha Water Cream, 5 mils, full size is 75. And lastly, you have this. Exact same size, 30 mils, 2% BHA. I'm not going to tell you the brand. Full size is 118 mils. You only get 30. Right, so quickly adding up those prices. The Dr. Jart is 31 and the serum is 9. You get 40 there. And the Kate Somerville is 25 and the Dermalogica is 45. You get 65 and 45, that is £110. The Kudali Cleanser is 20 and the Innisfree is 21. You get 151 and the Thank You Pharma is 22. You get 173 and you pay 70. Not bad at all. To be honest, the only acne treatment product in here that I can see is the Eradicate Blemish Treatment. The others are, I agree this is more geared towards oily skin. But other than the Kate Somerville, I think I could buy this. Do I want to? I don't know. I mean, I don't see any actives apart from the 2% BHA, and that's only 30 mils. I might actually buy this. I could use the Pore Remedy Primer. I would love the Scar Slayer Serum for pitted acne scars. The Dermalogica Moisturizer is alright, I guess. The Kudali Purifying Gel Cleanser, nice. Clay Mask, alright. Thank You Pharma Sunscreen. But then, those two I might get cheaper on K-beauty websites. So do I want them from Selfridges? I don't know. I'm just going to think about whether I want to buy this or not. But if you are, oily skinned, and if you are looking for some nice new skincare to try, at just 70 quid, I think this is a very good choice. The Clarifying Skincare Kit from Selfridges. I'm going to add that to my cart right now on my app. And yeah, that's my Lord of the Rings case and everything. So I'm just going to add that to cart and kind of keep it there for the next few days and mull it over. The next one is the renewing kit, people. That is £90, and in my opinion that is the weakest of the three. So there is the Athleisure treatment cleansing oil, that is 30 mils. You get full size is 150 mils, not going to count it. You then get the Dr. Seba Rosedewy cream cleanser, 30 mils, 100 mils is full size, in that infamous very lovely beauty bag from 2019 or so. They sent out the mask, which was actually last step moisturizer from Dr. Sebo, and it was full sized at 75 mils, and a lovely, lovely, lovely product. So after that, seeing a 30 ml cleanser, Then you get the MZ Skin Lift and Luster Golden Elixir Antioxidant Serum. Listen to this, people. 30 mils of it costs £240. This is insane. This is my problem with this one, the renewing skincare kit, the MZ Skin Serum. £240 for 30 mils. This is my problem with this one. You've already passed the cost of all 3 bags, I think. And with just this one serum. So, not happy. And the next product is the Zelen Spa Ray Retexturizing and Renewing Concentrate. You only get 10 mils of it. Sorry, full size is 30 mils. Not going to count it either. Next you have from 111 Skin, the Celestial Black Diamond Serum. 10 mils you get. Full size is 30 mils, which retails at 432. Aren't they seriously trying to charge rent or something for all these products? A serum, £240, £430. In the Cult Beauty bag of tricks, there was a serum there, full size of which retails at £720. So those 3 serums, that's your rent right there. Anyway, moving on. The next product is the Inky List Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. 50 mils you get, which is actually full size, retailing at £18.99. The next thing is the LMS Pro Collagen Vitality Eye Cream. You get 4 mils. Full size is 15 mils, retailing at 74. So I'm not going to count it. Then you have the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. That is 50 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £85. Possibly the best product in this box. Then lastly, you have the Lancaster Sun Beauty Body Milk. SPF 30, 50 mils you get, full size is 175 mils. So not going to count that either. I feel that this one, being the weak, why do I call it the weakest? A, there are fewer full sizes. In the first one, out of 10, in the clarifying one that is, out of 10 products, 7 were full sized. In this case, out of 9, only 3 are full sized. The Inky List, the Murad, and the MZ Skin. And I'm not counting the MZ Skin because £240 already there. Counting just the Inky List and the Murad, you get £103.99. So, buy this only if you are looking to try the Murad Retinol Night Cream. If you are looking to try the Murad Retinol Night Cream, buy the Renewing Skincare Kit. Otherwise, it's not worth it. If you don't want the Murad Retinol Night Cream. If you are looking, if that has been on your wish list or to try list, the Murad Retinol Night Cream, then this box is actually worth it. Otherwise, it's not. Now, the third one is called the Barrier Building Skincare Kit, and that retails at £80. So what does that contain? The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, 120 mils, indeed full-sized, retailing at £39. The LMS Pro Collagen Marine Moisture Essence, 28 mils, you get full sizes, 100 mils. Athleisure Core Balance Toning Mask, you get a single mask, which retails at £9. The next thing is the Ren Evercalm Barrier Support Elixir, 30 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £45. The next product is the Thank You Farmer Rice Pure Essential Milky Toner, 200 mils is full size. You only get 30 mils. I actually have the full size 200 mils. The next product is Sol de Janeiro Delicia Drench Body Butter, very, very recent launch. Doesn't smell great, hydrates well, performs well, but doesn't smell as good as the Boom Boom Cream. Very mild fragrance. Yeah, this is 240 mils. You only get 75 mils, which is not full-sized, from Selfridges. At least it is not the Boom Boom Cream. At this point, we must be thankful for small mercies. At least it is not the Boom Boom Cream. Yeah, it is Delicia Drench. Something new to try. The next product is the Rodial Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Velvet Cream, 50 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £85. The next product is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, 10 grams. That is this exact product. It comes in different fragrances. and I don't know which one they are sending out. Could change actually. And that retails at £17.50. It's probably cheaper on Yes Time or something, or Style Runner. But yeah, this is a wonderful little lip balm. I really like it. Some tint, mild tint. The next product is the Tatcha Hinoki Body Oil. 30 mils, people, full size is 100 mils. The next product is the Mantle Dream Mask for the hair, people. That is only 15 mils, full size is 200 mils. Lastly, Sunday Riley Autocorrect Eye Cream, 8 grams, you get full size is 15 mils. So, there are 6 full sizes in here. No, sorry, 5 full sizes in here out of 11 products. So 5 full sizes out of 11, which is why I feel that the clarifying kit was the best of the lot, and I'm really tempted by it. I actually wish I'd bought that instead of Sweet Care. No, I don't know. Let me see if I can buy both. Yeah. So, price breakdown. The Kate Somerville, £39. The Athleisure mask is 9, and the Ren Barrier Support Elixir is 45. You get £84, crossing the cost of the box right there. The Rodial is 85 by itself, and that alone crosses the cost of the box right there. So if you add that, you get £159 there, and add £17.50 for that Laneige, you get £176.50. If you want, you can add £9 for that single mask. I'm not going to, single mask. So I think the barrier building skincare kit has value and is good if you are looking to try the Kate Somerville cleanser and the Ren Barrier Support Elixir serum from Ren, people. So if you're looking to try those 2 products, this is definitely worth it. The clarifying skincare kit is worth it if you have oily or acne prone skin and are looking for some new skincare to try. The renewing skincare kit is worth it if you are looking to buy that Murad Retinol Night Cream. Anyway, that one is the weakest of these 3 for me. Now, I'm not saying these kits are the greatest things in sliced bread. They're not. We've seen better fare before in the past. However, compared to the Selfridges Advent Calendar, compared to recent other Advent calendars that we've seen this year, these kits are much, 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 much better. They don't break the bank, 70 quid, 80 quid. They have more full sizes, 7 out of 10, 6 out of 11, sorry, 5 out of 11. They do have minis, 3 mils, 4 mils, 5 mils. Yes, I'm not saying they don't. They don't have tat, no response, no mini hairbrushes, no supplements, no mad herbal patches. It's all solid skincare in here, and I think that is much better. These are much better than the Advent calendar. So if you are looking for holiday treats or, to discover new skincare products, I think, these standalone kits, the Cult Beauty Bag of Tricks and the Selfridges skincare kits are much, much, much better options than either of their Advent calendars, which had tat, fewer full sizes, lots and lots of minis, and the full sizes included were lip balm and lip liner, eyeliner, pencil, and so on. I promise not to sing that again. And, you also had things like herbal patches and a pile of mini perfumes and all. Compared to all that, these are solid, these have far more decent products, and I think these are better options. So those are my thoughts on the standalone skincare kits from Selfridges. What do you think? Do you think they're better than the Advent calendar or worse? Do tell me in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.